Hi everybody, this is Erica from She Shed Living, and I'm actually in my shed right now just thinking about where we are with the coronavirus and how everybody has to band together to kind of work together to stay apart. It's made me think a lot about the sacredness of space and how valuable space is now that we're dealing with a whole different world. We're all working from home, or we're trying to run our lives from home, and while it's protected and cozy, sometimes you need that extra space, and there really is nothing like a dedicated space in your backyard or wherever to be able to close the door and get away from it all. I mean, for me personally, in my household right now, we have 2 people working full-time, and we also have a full-time student. So we have a lot of needs that our house never really has had to take care of before. And so having this dedicated little room in the backyard has actually been far more valuable to me than I'd ever thought of before. It's one extra place that we have that can help us in these really trying times. And I feel that maybe some of you out there might be able to look at your backyard and whether or not you're going to build a new room in these times of trial, or you think about the future where you might need it for that extra family member or a growing family or just a home office. Maybe now's the time to think about what you can do with your backyard space.